UMS Skeldar, we have developed a long-range platform that can carry multiple payloads.
Thanks to this, the V150 can be equipped with sensors that can optimize Powerline inspections. Today, inspecting power lines is mostly a manual process that is inefficient, requires several steps from data acquisition to data processing. With our system, we can improve this process. We add a level of autonomy that allows the operators to focus on the real scope of the mission without additional workload. The V150 can be equipped with a suite of sensors that allow operators to immediately identify potential problems and reducing the data acquisition time. When equipped with a LiDAR sensor, our V150 can highlight areas of vegetations that could present problems in the near future. The exact distance between surrounding vegetation can be measured with high precision and highlighted. Our platform can carry multi-sensor payloads. This means that different data types can be collected simultaneously, allowing operators to gather a complete picture.
The latest digitalization and artificial intelligence technology works together with our UMS system to change how Powerline inspection will be carried out in the future. The goals are saving money, time, and the most important, reducing any risk to properties and human life.